What's up, YouTube? It is the Man, and I really hope you enjoy these awesome videos that you are about to see, because I have always put a lot of work on my videos, and they are all freaking awesome. So, hope you watch them all. Hey, what's up, guys? It is the Man, and I am here again with another build update on my awesome new, totally not really redesigned, more blue computer. So this is, I didn't really do any serious updates on this, but one thing that you could probably obviously see right now is cold cathodes. You could see one through these right here, and then of course the one at the bottom. And I just did that because on my old build, on my old less updated build, I had a blue LED fan, stock fan, but the thing is, I got rid of all the fans and replaced them with Corsair. See, they're all Corsair fans at the bottom. You can't really see the top or front, but I have them all the way around. So what I thought I had a good idea. What I did is I put the intakes, the front two and the bottom, as high performance fans, and they're two of them, because I keep on forgetting I have an extension cable, are connected directly to the motherboard right here. And yes, I know it looks really messy because of the off-color cables, but I don't have any sleeving supplies. I've never sleeved, even though I really want to. So that's the first modding step on my list. But I have just high performance fans, so if I have to, I can get the most intake possible. And then on the back and top, I have a 120 and two 140 millimeter Quiet Edition AF fans, and they're all AF, no radiators, nothing, with the stock Cooler Master CPU fan. And I just set that on lowest so that way it keeps taking air out constantly without having to worry about temps. And that's all that's for. But here's the annoying thing. I actually replaced my fan controller once already, because it would make a noise when I go to the middle setting. So let's see if you can hear this. Can you hear that buzzing, kinda? I'm not sure, just comment. But it's really obnoxious. That I'm not gonna rewire that. It's not as bad as the last one, but once I replaced the fans, it got bad, because I had the stock 140 on the top, the 120 on the back, and everything. It was fine. It didn't have any problems until I replaced the fans. Then it starts making that noise. So I get pissed off, and I'm just like, screw it, I'm leaving it on lowest, because on middle setting, it's the perfect setting between speed and noise, because it's so far away from my desk, I can't hear it whatsoever. But, whatever. So, it works. Another little just thing I got for Christmas for fun is this little, it's like a lava lamp with glitter in it. It's kind of cool. And then there's my Xbox adapter for my controller. Here's another little card that, oh my god, it is so helpful to the extreme. Let's see if I can get any closer without getting the graphics card in the way. Okay, yeah, you can see it right there. This card right here. It's a Sabrent, I believe. It's a 5-port USB 2.0 port card. It plugs into a PCI slot. It has helped me so much. Otherwise, I would have filled up all my USB 3 on the back of my motherboard, and I don't want to do that. And then, like before, I had to use my keyboard and mouse on the top front panel USB 2, which sucked. But now that I got a couple more USB extension cables, it helps, because you can see in this mess, let's see, right, that and that are my two my keyboard and mouse. And then that other silver cable right there, I'll get to in a minute. But this card, it has the 4 on the back. I have them all filled up, and it actually has one internally. You may wonder what you want an internal one for, but some people would use like an external hard drive internally just to save space or so it looks cleaner. But I just used it for this. Yeah. I have it go strung back around into the rubber grommet for water tubing or cable management. I just stick it in the inside. It's great. It's a little hard to get running at first, but once you get it like set up, it works fine. And I was going to mention I'm actually running at stock speeds again right now because some reason now I was at 4.3 gigahertz. It worked fine, but I try to push up to 4.4. I'm getting all these odd temperature readings, like up to 80 degrees or 90 degrees, and then I set everything back to stock, and I was getting 70 under stress. So people recommended just reapply thermal paste, and then I'm going to do that eventually with Arctic Silver 5, I believe. And then there's actually a Zalman CPU cooler. It's the Max something letters, the numbers Max B or something. And it's actually $40. So if I could just sell this one currently for $20, it's the Evo, then I could get that for basically stupid button beeping. I could basically get that for $20 because that's how my mind works. It actually kind of does. Like, if I sell something back and get some money back, it makes me, and buy something that's more expensive, it makes me feel like I'm paying the difference. It's kind of weird, but it works. So, I have a little update over here. Actually, a major update. See if I could get a better view. Here. My keyboard and my mic. That's a blue snowball right there. That's what that silver cape was for. And that is a Philco keyboard. This thing is amazing. It is the it's not missing any keys. It's the Cherry MX blue switches. And let's see if I can move this chair out of the way. Get you. It's not really designed for features. It's designed for quality. This thing is amazing. But like you'll see some keyboards that have like tons of macros and stuff. This one doesn't have macros. It just has durability, because that's all I need, because I don't really game too much on my keyboard. Unless if it's like an internet game where I just press space or something, then I would. But that's me, because I can't really play on a keyboard. And this thing is amazing. It's great for typing. Love the Cherry MX Blue. Love that tactile sound and everything. And my, you could say, biggest thing I got, which, oh my god, it's amazing, is a new chair. So I have this leather chair right here. This is my new one. Sure, it's just a leather chair, but I used to have this piece of junk. You could see on it the cat fur that sticks to it. Yeah, that is why I needed a new chair so badly. So that is, let's see, do I have anything else? Just, oh, I shoot. Yeah, I believe that is it for this update. So I will keep you tuned in the future once I install some more things. And I hope you enjoyed, and remember to like, comment, subscribe, tell all your friends, and keep updating.